Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Team Fortress 2 on your Mac. First, you'll need to get the Steam client, which is a free download from their official website. Once installed, open Steam and search for Team Fortress 2 in the store. It's a completely free-to-play game, so just click Play Game to add it to your library. The download size is approximately 15 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough space and a stable internet connection. To ensure a smooth experience, your Mac should meet the minimum system requirements. You'll need Mac OS El Capitan, version 10.11, or a newer operating system. A dual-core Intel processor and at least 4 gigabytes of RAM are generally sufficient. Make sure you have about 15 gigabytes of free storage for the game files. For optimal performance, close any unnecessary applications running in the background before launching Team Fortress 2. Once in the game, you can further optimize performance through the in-game settings. Navigate to the Options menu and then select Video. Here, you can significantly improve frame rates by reducing the display resolution and lowering texture quality. Disabling advanced graphical features such as anti-aliasing and vertical sync can also help. Experiment with these settings to find the best balance between visual quality and smooth gameplay on your specific Mac model. Team Fortress 2 offers 9 distinct character classes, each with unique weapons and roles. Spend some time learning the different classes and their abilities to find your favorites. The game features various objective-based modes, such as capture the flag and control points. Start with casual matches to get comfortable with the mechanics before exploring competitive play. The Team Fortress 2 community is vibrant and welcoming, offering many resources and opportunities to connect with other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.